Hi, my name is Yogita, and on the occasion of World Sports Journalist Day, I am here to make you all aware about the importance of this day. World Sports Journalist Day is a global professional observance held on July 2nd. It was established by the International Sports Press Association in 1994 to mark the 70th anniversary of its foundation. The term sports journalism refers to a form of writing that reports on sporting topics. It is an essential element of any news media organization. There are a lot of national and local associations of sports journalists aimed at maintaining higher standards of sports journalism. Sports journalists from all over the world are united by the International Sports Press Association, Association Internationale de la Presse Sportive. AIPS was founded on July 2, 1924 during the Summer Olympics in Paris. It comprises continental sub-associations and national associations. Among its partners are many big sports federations such as International Olympic Committee, FIFA, IAAF, and others. World Sports Journalist Day was created in 1994 to commemorate the creation of AIPS and to celebrate the achievements of members of the sporting media. It aims at encouraging sports journalists to strive for excellence in their work and to set an example to the world, not only to the world of sport, but to the world at large. Wishing all of you a happy Sports Journalist Day.